What up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use your Zhiyun crane and the Play app to program some movements. Check it out. Welcome back to the video guys. In this video definitely I'm going to break down how I use the Zhiyun crane and the Play app to program pan and tilt movements, or basically just to kind of program any type of movement you want to do. So I'm a filmmaker, but lots of times I'm by my, actually not all the time I'm by myself, and there's times where I wish I could just set the camera down and just have it slowly pan towards me, you know, but unfortunately I don't have a slider or anything of that sort right now. But I found a way to use the gimbal, the Zhiyun crane gimbal here with the app together to kind of get program movements. So enough of my jibber jabber, let me show you guys how I did that. Now the first thing first you're going to want to make sure you do is to put the gimbal in the lock mode, where you can basically control pan and tilt up and down. Basically you have all control of all the movement, and it's I think almost like the lock mode. Then fire up your Play app. Once you're in the Play app, now when I first did it, I went to control app only, where you basically turn the Play app into a controller, and I found that I couldn't accept it when I would go to the time lapse. It wouldn't let me register a waypoint in. So I went back to the other mode, basically the full camera mode, and then I basically moved the crane into the position I want, went to the time lapse app, moving time lapse, boom, take a photo of the area that you want, went back to the crane, manually put in the next movement that I want, boom, set that as my next waypoint. And you can do, you know, I don't know how many maximum waypoints you can do, but I just did 2. And then after that, the time and stuff, we don't really need that. But what I did figure out was, you know, if you wanted the pan to be quicker, just make the waypoints from here to here longer, and it would move faster in time. And if you want it to be really cinematic and nice and slow movement, you basically just put a smaller distance, and it would just kind of, you know, inch over. So once you got your waypoint sets, the time and all that stuff doesn't matter, because we're actually not gonna, it's gonna be filming with this, but we're gonna be filming with the camera. So you hit start, boom, and it would just start to move over and do the movements. But let me just show you how I'm gonna do it right now with this camera now. Okay, so I got my app loaded, I got it all connected to the crane. So you're gonna wanna put your phone in the video mode, click on the little video film, you know, icon, click down there, and then you want to click on moving time lapse. Once you're in the moving time lapse, you'll get your little box there, you know, pop up. So here I'm basically going to set my first position, and I'm going to go ahead and just tilt down a little bit here. Set that. Then I'm going to go ahead and just tilt up. Now I'm doing this manually with the actual crane here. Let's go ahead and tip. I'm going to get a fast one. Save that. Now hit next, and then hit start. Now boom. Okay, now it's going to record a video to your phone because it thinks it's connected to the app on your phone here. But as you can see, hands-free, and it's just going through the motions. Yeah, I got a big cheesy grin smile because I'm so happy. This is awesome. I'm going to be able to use this a lot when I go out and film. This is going to be awesome. Quick little easy, like, just quick little hack, I guess, you know. You might want to call it a hack, I guess, you know, with the Matrix and everything. So fantastic. I'm gonna be like I said, I'm gonna be working with the folks down at Zhiyun a lot more. I mean, blah 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 blah. I'm gonna be working with the crane a lot more, so I'm gonna be figuring out some more stuff. I've only had it for like about a week and a half, and today was just, you know, a day that I wanted to get and spend some time with it. And I'm like, you know, my whole thing is filming by myself, so there's hundreds of videos of everybody walking around and using the gimbal. Actually, and if you really want to check out a cool video, I suggest checking out this link here. Brandon Lee does a very cool you know, review of the gimbal running, showing you like really how putting it through its paces. Check out his video. It's fantastic if you want to see more of the gimbal like motions and that you would want to use this for. But I'm going to be trying to really use this for a lot more like in the studio or when I'm filming by myself and I just want to be able to add movement. And when I start doing some more little quick shorts, this is going to help when you're, you know, you're in a scene and you want some movement and you don't have anybody to operate the camera for you. I think this is going to be a fantastic tool and a great way to get some movement into your shots. So enough of my jibber jabber. I'm going to get back to playing with this and then figuring out some more stuff. And blah, blah, blah. This is vlogmas. I don't know what day it is. I'm not keeping track because I got to go till January. So I'll see you guys in the next video. This is Patrick LeVar. Keep filming. Peace.